Hello friends, today I will talk about why developers should use npm CI instead of npm install. So as we know, when we are working with any project, firstly we need to firstly we need to install the dependencies. So yeah, it's also important, like we need to understand how this package JSON, like what dependencies we added in the package and how we can install those dependencies, and what is the role of package log JSON. So as you already aware of about the npm install, but there is also another command which is npm CI. So basically, what it do, it basically it install it picks up the dependency from the package log JSON. So suppose take an example of any. Let me take some example of any project. So here this virtual currently we are on the virtual scrolling project. So if I go to that, so here like we have package JSON and package log JSON. We have two files. So if we are doing npm install, it will install the dependencies from the package JSON. But if you are run the command npm CI, it will take the dependencies from here. Sometimes you see like when you do npm install, it also updates the package log JSON due to some versions changes. So so these things I mentioned here. So means as we work on the Node.js projects like Angular, React, whatever project you are working on, we have package JSON everywhere. So means we have package log and package JSON at both the projects. So it is recommended to use npm CI. So what the CI means, it is basically a clean install. Unlike npm install, which can install packages from Node module cache, which can install packages from Node cache. npm CI install packages from the package location that I already told you. And so this clean install always install project with a clean slate, ensuring that you have exact dependencies and versions listed in package log JSON. So in the package log JSON, if you see here the difference, so let's pick up any package. So suppose take this package. So if you see here, so it will take this registry from here, from this node modules. So this will work like that, like versions and everything, real dependencies. So there is so why we use npm CI. So here are other few reasons that we should recommend using npm CI instead of npm install. So firstly, let me show you to run this command npm CI, what it do. So if you run this command, if you see here, it will take a dependencies to install. So it just started installing dependencies. So now, okay. In the meantime, we can see like why there are some other reasons also. So consistency, speed, predictability, and automation. So as we were creating pipelines, so in that pipelines generally the YML files we generally use CI, not the npm install. So npm CI. So if we discover automation, it is designed to be used in automated environments such as continuous CI/CD pipelines that I already told you. You ensure project is always built with consistent practical side of dependency regardless of the environment. Predictability. Install packages exactly as they are listed in package log JSON without any additional package or modification. This ensures that you have always predictable and stable development environment without unexpected changes in dependency version. npm CI is always install packages from package log JSON. It does not need to check the node modules cache. This means that npm CI much faster than npm install, especially for large project with many dependencies. It ensures all developer working on project have the same exact dependency version installed. This helps to eliminate inconsistent development environment, making it easier to reproduce the bugs. So now if I see here, it is installing all the packages from the package log JSON. So now successfully installed all packages from the npm ci clean install. Okay, thanks guys for watching.